Okay, here I am getting ready to see here in the dark. I got soldering iron and no solder. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna fix the battery holder with my trusty screwdriver. Bottom screws out first. Okay, battery falls out, battery holder falls out. Part of the problem. Okay, cold solder joint, Rojas solder. Oh, the bees don't like me. Okay, now I'm going to see if I can get a glue stress relief on each one of those. I'm not be quick about it. Oh yes, listen to them. Both of them get a little taper off here. Oh, they're coming up. I don't know if I should do the battery holder, maybe. Should I tack it in? Maybe I should. I don't know. The wire doesn't want to get in there nicely. Okay. A little quick on this glue. It's hot glue, sort of melted away. Give it a little more time. Okay, here goes. Lights on, look at that. So the light pipe would be good. I'm going to keep it that. Hope there's no wire sticking down to get that nice and low. Looks good. Put this on nice and secure. Feel for wires sticking out. Oh, battery snugly in there at the same time. Yeah, that'd be perfect. Desiccant. Make sure all nice and snug. This one here. Okay. Mission accomplished.